Welcome to Artek. Today we're going to be talking about Battery Protects. Battery Protects are essentially a controllable relay that can either be controlled through programming or through an analog input, say from a BMS. Battery Protects come available in 12, 24 and 48 volt versions. The 12 and the 24 volt version is the same unit and can be used in both 12 and 24 volt systems. If you're using a Battery Protect in a 48 volt system, then you'll need a 48 volt specific Battery Protect. Battery Protects also come in 3 different sizes. Specifically in the 12 and 24 volt range, there's a 65 amp, a 100 amp, and a 220 amp. The 48 volt version only comes in a 100 amp and is the same size as the 220 amp 12 and 24 volt version. Battery Protects are really important, specifically with Victron smart lithium batteries. It's important to be able to shut down batteries in a low state of charge or a high state of charge, or in under and over temperature scenarios. Because smart lithium batteries from Victron don't have that built in, then you're using an external device to do so. There are advantages as to why Victron smart lithium batteries don't have that built in, and we'll get into that in another video. Battery Protects are unidirectional. It means that you can only flow energy one way. You'll see in all of these Battery Protects that they have an in and an out stud. If you're using it in a load disconnect scenario, then you'll want the input coming from your battery and the output going to your loads. If you're using it from a charger, you'll want to flip that around. So the input will come from the charger and the output will go to your battery. You're also going to notice a 2-pin remote contact. This H and this L can be used to analog control the unit from, say, a BMS. You're also going to notice a 3-pin connector. That's going to have your alarm, your ground, and your programming pins connected on that. The ground will need to be connected in every system. The alarm is optional. The alarm can be routed to an additional LED or buzzer. You'll also notice a small Bluetooth indicator, as well as a small LCD screen that can be used to read error codes. And if you choose not to program via Bluetooth, then you'll use the program pin to program the unit. Here we prefer the Bluetooth options because it gives you more control over the unit and it assists with troubleshooting. If for whatever reason you want to save costs or you don't want Bluetooth in your unit, then you can just opt for the non-Bluetooth version. It just limits the amount of programming you can do and limits the amount of troubleshooting assistance that it will give you. Thanks for following along today talking about Victron's line of Battery Protects. If you've got any questions, please reach out to our team and we'll leave all of the manuals in the description below.